Hi, so look at this cute Snoopy Doggy House. We are going to make a nice arrangement, and this is so nice. There are lots of containers like this in the market if you look at this time of year. So basically, it is this doggy house, and this is the top. We are going to make an arrangement like this one, and then right after the flowers went bad, you can also use them for like a cookie jar and candy and things like that. So let's start working on this. Okay, I'm going to use a piece of oasis for this, which I have already wetted perfectly well. So I'm going to cut a small portion to go into this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it just the edges like this so it can go inside. Okay. You want it to be a little out, but not too much, because more it's out, it's going to take a lot of flowers. Okay, so let's start setting our base. I'm going to use some of the cedar leaves for this because I want to cascade, and this cedar leaf is the best one for that because it's very soft. I'm going to use the small ones for the sides. Like I said, these are perfect, and then they're very nice and cascade. Okay, so there you have it. I'm also going to use some of my other branches to fill up my base, to create my base actually. This is such a nice arrangement, especially if you have a doggy house. And these leaves, if after you're done, you realize they're too long, you can just cut them. Okay, so let me get some flowers and start the arrangement. Okay, I'm gonna start arranging my flowers. I am gonna use some red roses. You don't want to cut them too long. Okay, I am also going to use some white carnation, which they're perfect for this. And now I'm going to put the top of my container, which is my Snoopy dog. So I'm going to put it here now, so I know where else I have to fill with flowers. So this is the front, and I'm going to finish the rest. I'm going to use some cone. I always like to use two of them. It looks better, but you can always use single one too, if you want. Perfect. So I'm going to finish this side. Look how beautiful it is. Like I said, there's nothing more beautiful than flowers. Beautiful, no matter how you arrange them. I'm gonna get some holly leaves too. Okay, I'm gonna just put them here. Some in the back. I'm going to put some here by the doggy house. And oh, see some of my branches, now I see they are a little taller than I want. So I cut them. You cut them, make it work for you. I'm going to add some over here. Okay. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Like I said, you cannot have holidays without the proper decoration and flowers. And also, if you are using artificial flowers, trees, these branches are gonna give a very nice pine smell to your house. Okay, here's our doggy house. Perfect. I hope you make it and enjoy it. And I really love these flowers. Like I said, there is nothing, no matter how you arrange them, and they are beautiful. And you can always find something like this in every store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It just shows your support. Thank you. Bye.